guys, yeah, I did this video on the aloe juice or the aloe vera that I was putting in my hair. And I just want you guys to know that even though this does really work, it does really do good for your natural hair, it's musty. It's musty. And you should know that you need to put some type of essential oils or something in order to make it not so musty. Because let me tell you something, baby. I have been checking myself all day. I mean, my hair is soft and everything, and I have 4C hair and whatnot, but when I tell you, it is musty.